In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it. And to go back, this arrow at the top left corner. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it again and tap on pin icon. To disable Clipboard completely, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!